What if you could build multiple income streams without constantly trading your time for money? In the past, creating extra income often meant working longer hours or taking on a side hustle. But in today's world, it's about leveraging the assets you already have, whether that's your data, hardware, or capital, to feed automated systems that work for you around the clock. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 ways to build multiple income streams. These strategies go beyond traditional jobs and focus on using smart, resource-based methods to generate passive income. Let's dive into how you can take advantage of modern tools to create a steady flow of income, no matter your current workload. 1. Depend hardware validator nodes. One of the most innovative ways to build multiple income streams is by participating in the growing market for decentralized physical infrastructure, also known as DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure networks. This can be done by hosting small, physical devices like Helium 5G connectivity hotspots or HiveMapper, mapping data via dashcams. These devices contribute to the infrastructure needed by AI and logistics companies to operate more efficiently. This model allows you to generate passive income by providing critical services that companies are increasingly relying on. It's an easy and low-maintenance way to tap into a rapidly growing sector, leveraging hardware to create a steady stream of income without sacrificing much of your time. 2. Fractionalized green energy yields. The green energy revolution offers another excellent opportunity for building multiple income streams. Fractionalized investments in solar farms or wind turbines through platforms like SunExchange allow you to invest in renewable energy projects and earn a monthly dividend from the electricity generated and sold to hospitals, schools, or other commercial entities. What makes this strategy so effective? As more countries and companies transition to renewable energy, the demand for green energy is expected to grow, making a stable investment in the long term. Additionally, many of these projects are backed by 20-year government energy contracts, providing a reliable source of income. By investing in solar seeds or micro-shares of wind farms, you can earn income without having to directly manage or maintain the physical infrastructure. This creates a passive income stream that taps into the world's ongoing shift toward sustainability. 3. Tokenized real-world asset (RWA) staking. Investing in tokenized real-world assets, RWAs, is another excellent way to build multiple income streams. This strategy involves purchasing blockchain-based tokens that represent fractional ownership of real-world assets, such as treasury bills, private credit, or commercial warehouses. Platforms like Ondo or Realty allow you to stake these tokens, which pays out rental income or interest directly to your digital wallet. Why is this method so effective? Tokenized RWAs provide an opportunity to earn income from assets that traditionally required significant capital to invest in, such as commercial real estate. The process of tokenizing these assets makes them more accessible by allowing fractional ownership, meaning you can invest in high-value assets with a much smaller initial investment. Additionally, RWAs typically offer yields of 5% or higher, making them an attractive option for those looking to grow their wealth without taking on excessive risk. 4. AI agent rental licensing. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, new opportunities are emerging for individuals to create and rent out AI-powered agents. For instance, you could build specialized AI agents such as a real estate tax optimizer or a niche SEO auditor and license them to businesses through platforms like the GPT store. What makes this strategy so appealing is that once the AI agent's logic is built, you can continue to earn royalties or subscription fees every time a business uses your agent to solve a specific problem. This is a scalable business model, where the initial effort creating the AI system can yield passive income for years to come, with minimal maintenance or ongoing work required. AI agent rental is particularly effective because it taps into growing demand for automation in various industries. Whether it's automating tax optimization or streamlining SEO audits, businesses are increasingly looking for ways to save time and increase efficiency, making AI-powered solutions a valuable asset. By licensing these tools, you can generate consistent income while helping businesses leverage AI to improve their operations. 5. Data brokerage via privacy-preserving apps. Data is one of the most valuable resources in today's digital economy, and you can tap into this market by selling your data through privacy-preserving apps. Apps that allow you to anonymously sell your health, fitness, or browsing data to AI research firms are a growing income stream. These platforms, such as Dataku, enable individuals to monetize their data while ensuring their privacy is protected. Why does this work? Large language models, LLMs, and other AI systems rely on human-verified data to train and improve their algorithms. By providing your data in a secure and anonymized way, you're participating in the data economy and getting paid for the information you're already generating. This could include your health data, fitness tracking, browsing history, or even product preferences. These apps often offer a data dividend that's paid out regularly, providing a passive income stream from resources you're already creating. Data brokerage provides a unique opportunity for individuals to profit from the vast amounts of personal data they generate every day. As privacy concerns grow, these apps allow you to control your data and benefit from it while maintaining anonymity and security. 6. Ghost digital real estate domain leasing. The digital world offers an increasingly profitable avenue for generating passive income through the leasing of high-value domain names. This strategy, known as ghost digital real estate, involves buying high-intent, niche domain names and leasing them to businesses looking for better search visibility. Why does this work? The internet is an essential part of modern business, and companies are constantly looking for ways to improve their online presence. Leasing domain names can provide a steady income stream from businesses that want to enhance their local SEO without the high upfront costs of purchasing these domains outright. For example, a domain like MiamiRoofingExpert.com could be leased to a local roofing company looking to improve its search engine ranking. Domain leasing is a low-maintenance way to generate income, and with the right domain names, it can provide a consistent cash flow. Because you own the domain and lease it to businesses, you're in control of the asset and can continue to generate income as long as the lease remains in place. This method provides a digital real estate option that's much cheaper than physical properties and offers a potential for recurring monthly income. 7. Micro-SaaS niche tools. Micro-SaaS businesses are small, niche software tools that can be built using no-code AI platforms, making them an attractive option for those looking to build multiple income streams with low overhead. For example, you could create a simple PDF to Excel converter specifically designed for accountants, and once the tool is built, you can list it on marketplaces like Acquire.com to generate recurring subscription revenue. What makes this strategy so effective is the scalability and automation offers. Once the tool is built and listed on a marketplace, you don't need to maintain it constantly. The software runs on autopilot, generating revenue through subscriptions. This makes micro-SaaS businesses a great way to create passive income. Plus, niche software tools often cater to a specific audience, increasing the likelihood of success because you're solving a very targeted problem. Building and selling micro-SaaS tools is a profitable venture that requires minimal maintenance and can yield consistent revenue, making it a great option for individuals looking to diversify their income streams without significant upfront investment. 8. Automated smart beta dividend loops. Another way to build passive income is by setting up an automated smart beta dividend loop through a robo-advisor. Smart beta strategies involve using an AI-powered platform to invest in dividend aristocrat stocks, companies that consistently increase their dividends while reinvesting the dividends automatically through a dividend reinvestment plan DRIP. This income stream is perfect for long-term wealth building, as it takes advantage of both dividend payouts and the power of compounding. By automating the process, you eliminate the need for constant management, allowing your investment portfolio to grow passively while providing you with a steady stream of income. And there you have it, the top 8 ways to build multiple income streams. From the pin hardware to tokenized assets and domain leasing, these strategies show that creating wealth is about leveraging what you already have and feeding it into automated systems that generate consistent returns. Whether you're looking to generate passive income from your data, build a micro-SaaS business, or invest in real-world assets, these methods can help you secure multiple streams of income that work for you around the clock. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building wealth and diversifying your income. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.